This is how I get best apps for movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Type in downloader. Downloader will give you the ability to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire TV Stick. DOWN should pop up very quickly. Get it, download it, and install it. Go back to the home screen. Head over to the 3 squares plus sign. We can use the 3-line button on our remote to move, and same with downloader. Move to the front. Now when we're back in our home screen, have downloader and IPVanish up front and center in our shortcut menu, and open up downloader. Here in downloader, it gives you the option to type in a URL or a short code. We're going to type in 753120, and this will give us the shortcut to the our web page, ledbytheunknown.com. Once the page is loaded, use the 3-line button on your remote. Now we can add this page to the favorites. Now on the left bar there, you can go to favorites and don't have to worry about waiting for that 5-second redirect. Guys, check out all the apps in here. We got top 25, some other tutorials you would definitely want to look at. Under the movies, TV shows, and live streaming apps, we have apps like Pluto, Zumo, Freevee, Fossum, Peacock, and keep going. Delay. Let's click on Zumo. We can click on Zumo TV or Zumo Play. Down on the bottom. There's for Amazon or Android devices and also mobile devices. Click on the download you would like. Now, I didn't jailbreak the Fire Stick at the start to show that we don't need to. The Fire Stick will do it for us. So under Settings, or click the Settings, and click on Install Unknown Apps. Turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications not available in the Amazon App Store. And we can hit the back button twice. Sends us back to the downloaded file. So we can hit Install. Down at the bottom right, click on Install. Once the app's installed, click on Done down at the bottom right. Do not open the app yet. Once you've hit Done, we can delete the APK. We can delete the file we downloaded as we no longer need it. And again, hit back from here and you find other apps to download. But right now, let's head to the home screen. And we can move Zumo Play to the front. So we'll go to 3 squares plus sign, find Zumo Play, hit the 3-line button again on your remote, and move it to the front, or move it to wherever you would like in your row. And we can put it like 3rd in line on our shortcuts on the home screen. Let's open Zumo Play. As you tell, Zumo Play here. We have our channel list, live guide, free movies, TV shows, and networks. Enjoy. Peace. If you'd like to check out any of the other applications under the download page, go ahead, open Downloader back up, and enjoy. Peace.